Have you ever felt like you're off to a flying start, only to realize you've completely misunderstood the meaning of that phrase? Let's dive into the story of Samantha, who thought she was off to a flying start on her first day at a new job. Samantha arrived at the office early, eager to impress her new boss. When he asked how she was doing, she replied, "I'm off to a flying start." Thinking she meant she was literally flying around the office, her boss looked puzzled. Of course, the idiom "off to a flying start" isn't meant literally. It refers to a successful and energetic beginning, signifying rapid progress. Samantha soon realized her mistake and explained to her boss that she was simply excited to begin her new role and was off to a great start. Her boss was relieved and commended her enthusiasm. You can use "off to a flying start" in a casual conversation, like "I'm off to a flying start on my new project." Or in a more formal setting, such as "the company is off to a flying start this quarter." To remember the meaning of this idiom, think of a plane taking off. It's a quick, successful departure, just like a great beginning. The origins of "off to a flying start" can be traced back to early motor racing and aviation. In these contexts, a flying start meant starting a race while already in motion, giving competitors an immediate advantage. Similar idioms include "hit the ground running" and "get off on the right foot." Opposites could be "get off to a slow start" or "stumble out of the gate." For example, the new marketing campaign is off to a flying start, with record-breaking sales in the first week. You could rephrase this as "the new marketing campaign has gotten off to a very successful beginning." I once witnessed a job candidate use the idiom "off to a flying start" in their interview when discussing their previous role. The hiring manager was impressed by their enthusiasm and confidence. While "I'm off to a fast start" or "off to a good start" are acceptable phrases, "off to a flying start" conveys a stronger sense of exceptional progress and enthusiasm. In summary, "off to a flying start" is a useful idiom that can help you express enthusiasm and success, whether in a casual conversation or a professional setting. Understanding the correct usage of this idiom can really boost your communication skills. Now it's your turn. Share a sentence using the idiom "off to a flying start" in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're putting this new knowledge into practice.